Introducing the Scandinoff POCKETOR, a perfectly sharp and handy folding knife for your everyday carry. Ideal for tasks in the city or out in nature, this versatile knife comes in unique designs, various colors, and 2 sizes. A sharp and durable EDC knife, perfect for everything from cutting wood to preparing your favorite meals. The POCKETOR knife is also designed for self-defense, thanks to its shape and robust build. It comes in 2 sizes, POCKETOR, which is more robust and solid, and POCKETOR SLIM, which is lighter and more discreet. We've put our hearts into the POCKETOR's design. The blade is inspired by the Vikings sayax. The screw is modeled after a Viking shield, and when closed, the shape resembles a raven. It features an ergonomic shape for comfort and reliability, a durable titanium alloy pocket clip, and a fast and efficient flipper mechanism. The knife is crafted with Scandinoff flat and groove grind, jimping on the blade, a rear backspacer, and a flipper for extra control and enhanced grip. Made from Sandvik 14C28N stainless steel, it has an ultra-sharp edge honed to a precise 20 degrees/20 degrees. Each POCKETOR comes in a beautifully crafted gift box, complete with a maintenance wrench with 2 heads for adjusting screws and a cleaning cloth for polishing and upkeep. For true enthusiasts and collectors of design folding knives, Scandinoff offers exclusive collector's boxes, allowing you to choose from different color combinations, handle materials, and sizes. With its premium packaging, the POCKETOR knife makes a perfect gift for friends and loved ones. Choose a knife that is sharp, durable, and reliable. Choose Scandinoff today.